Valutrades. Welcome to this week's Market Blast Fundamentals. Hi, I'm Brad Alexander, and on behalf of Valutrades, today we'll take a look at WTI, Brent crude, Eurodollar, EURUSD, and gold. We've been short on gold for a few weeks now, and we've spotted both fundamental and technical opportunities. This morning, gold opened higher with a gap to the upside due to attacks on oil facilities in Saudi Arabia, and we see this as an opportunity to sell again and let the market fill the gap. Euro weakness continues against currencies like the dollar, pound, and CAD. One of the biggest fundamental problems with the euro is the poor COVID vaccine distribution, which will impede economic recovery compared to other economic regions. If we look at euro-dollar on the daily chart, for example, we see that we may have a long way to fall if other major economies do better than Europe. Last week's U.S. non-farm payroll report was better than expected, and U.S. dollar strength has driven euro-dollar lower. Also this week we have a lot of economic news which will affect the euro, like employment change and GDP tomorrow, and an interest rate decision and press conference Thursday. The Bank of Canada will also be announcing an interest rate decision Wednesday, with employment change Friday. The Canadian dollar is stronger against all other currencies based on the increasing price of crude. As we mentioned earlier, yesterday's drone strike in Saudi Arabia had WTI and Brent crude opening with a gap, so let's see if the market can fill this gap as well. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and register on the Valutrades website to get notifications on new content as it happens. That's all for now. Happy trading with Valutrades, and we will see you tomorrow. CFDs and FX are leveraged products, and your capital may be at risk.